this is me Trisha Vani. So today is question session class and you can ask me any question. I will give my best.
Yeah. Ask. Stand up and then ask.
Who want to ask question?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Actually, I have one question and one doubt also that it's true or not. So I wanna ask. Everyone says that, like, if you love someone, not in a like also in friendship, in a siblings bonds also, like if you loving or if you are caring also, but if still he is not responding you and she is not responding you, so at that time if you love that person, so you should take care of that person, या फिर you should leave that person ki like if she is not giving me any response, so why should I take care of this? You will think like that, या फिर you will think that yeah, I love her, I love him, so I'll take care of him, I'll listen everything. So what you think and why?
Nice question. So I think if anyone disrespecting you, if you are talking and you giving your every effects, and also he's ignoring you, so I think you leave him. You don't care about him because बोलते ना कि प्यार अंधा होता है, love is blind. So don't become like that because that is the 90s कि कोई भी कुछ भी करे मेरा प्यार है, I will take the stand. This is the 2025. So we should, the self-respect is the first priority is the self-respect. If you never giving anyone respect you, so leave him, because if you leave him, the back is in your future you have better options. The God give the best plans. If anyone leave you, so I think many persons are also there who take care of like you. How you are giving effects, like any one person होगा एक और जो तुम्हें वही प्यार देगा. So I think if anyone not respecting you or in love, the most important thing is the love, respect. And if you is saying I love you but also he's not respecting you, so that is the fake. And we don't need to stay with anyone fake क्योंकि हम we are beautiful, we are everything we have. So why should we एक ही दलदल में क्यों फंसे रहे? So I think ignore that guy, ignore that person, and move on and become love yourself.
Are you satisfied?
Yes.
Meenakshi or Bhumi asks.
पूछना है?
Excuse me, Didi. Hello, Didi. How are you? I am fine. I am having one confusion and doubt. What do you think that degree is important or what is most important? Knowledge versus degree. What would you like to choose?
See, this is not a debate, but I choose knowledge, because if you have knowledge, so you can do anything. See, knowledge is not a one thing, degree is one thing. If you are educated, so degree you have. Knowledge is not like that. If you don't have educated, also you have knowledge. If you start business, also you have knowledge. If you are makeovering yourself, that is also knowledge. See, you are going to, you have degree, lots of degree, and you go to office and you don't have sense to how to dress up. You don't have that knowledge how to you dress up. So how can you become that? जाके तुम बनियान और निक्कर में जाके बैठ गए, तो who give you that job? You need that knowledge के मेरे को क्या पहन के जाना है, क्या sense है. That is also knowledge. If you are thinking कि पढ़ाई सिर्फ knowledge है, नहीं. Knowledge is the biggest thing. If you are speaking, how to you speaking also. देखो बड़ा हो या छोटा, हमें इज्जत से बात करनी चाहिए, हमें सिखाया है. That is also knowledge. That knowledge who gives us? Our parents. How to talk, how to study, how to grow, how to maintain respectful that is who give up knowledge, our teachers. So this everyone, if you have any knowledge, so you give me, you tell something, that thing I also think कि भाई इसके पास ये knowledge है, इसका ये चीज कॉपी करनी चाहिए. एक ईगो में तो नहीं होना चाहिए भाई, नहीं मेरे पास डिग्री है, मैं इसकी नॉलेज नहीं लूंगा, मैं हूँ, मेरे पास बहुत सारी डिग्री है. डिग्री से कुछ नहीं होता.
Absolutely right.
नॉलेज इज द मैटर. भैया अच्छे से edit कर. I can edit it.
What very nice to meet you. I have a question. What is true happiness according to you?
This is a nice question. See, everyone's know in institute, I am the so happiest girl in institute. Every time I'm smiling, every time I'm making fun of someone, every time I'm kidding to someone. Sometime I will become anger, but every time I'm the funny, happiest girl. So I think this topic is a good. And what is the true happiness? You know, everyone say the parents is the most important. He give up birth and he give us everything, bills, food, anything. But that is not happiness. Happiness is that who gives you. If you are sad, that moments also he come तो तुम्हारे चेहरे पे smile आ जाए. That is happiness. And in our life, in everyone's life, that is the friends. Friends is the most happiest person in our. He give everything. If you are sad, if you are happy, if you are सब कुछ बात पता चलती है, तो हमें ना एक क्रेविंग होती है कि हमें जाके हमारे दोस्त को बताना है. वो भी एक हैप्पीनेस है. That is also the we are excited कि कब आएगी वो और कब बताऊंगी उसे मैं, क्योंकि वो गॉसिप्स भी एक हैप्पीनेस बन जाती है. So I think सबके साथ नहीं, बस दोस्तों के साथ गॉसिप्स करने में अच्छा लगता है. And if true happiness also is your success. Like if you are successful, your parents are appreciating कि हाँ भाई ये मेरी बेटी है. That is, you give your parents that thing कि मेरी बेटी बहुत काबिल है, मेरा बेटा बहुत काबिल है. That is called happiness. That is the biggest happiness in your parents, and of course you also proud of moment. So this is the happiness of according to me. I don't know about anyone.
Hello.
Hello.
So this is your question. So I want to ask you that. You say that all the peoples have two faces. So what did you think about that? People have two faces or not?
Yeah. Everyone in institute, we are the 20 children and 20 students. Everyone's not showing their angerness. Everyone is not faced anyone. Like if I am, it's not true, but I am saying something. If I am hate Nigam, okay, I hate Nigam. I show that कि मेरे को वो पसंद नहीं है. I show that, ठीक है. But एक होता है कि हमें दिखाना नहीं होता कि उसे बुरा लगना नहीं चाहिए. अब उसको बोलूं तो उसको बुरा लगे तो मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अब मैं किसी और को पसंद नहीं करती, but मुझे I can't tell because I don't want hurt anyone. मैं पसंद नहीं है तो पसंद नहीं है. किसी का पसंद नहीं आता नेचर, बातें पसंद नहीं आती. So that is the two faces. Everyone have two faces. कि वो मुंह पे अच्छे बनते हैं, पीठ पीछे कुछ और बोलते हैं. So like Sarvan Bhaiya has two faces. Like you know, like in our tuition there is the best example. Sarvan Bhaiya. He have not two faces. He have many faces. One type is he have teacher face. One time he become a good friend. One time he become a good brother. One time he's become a खड़ूस brother. कि समझ ही नहीं आता वो इंसान है क्या. तो समझ के बाहर है. ये इंसान के पास 4-5 फेस है जो कभी we can't find it. And I think there's the two faces. सर के भी होंगे. सर के कुछ favorite students होते हैं, क्योंकि कोई होते नहीं है. But सर दिखाते नहीं है क्योंकि बच्चों को hurt नहीं करना चाहते. सर ये झूठ है. Okay, this is my answer. I should
press the ball fast. चलो मजे का और ट्राई आप ऐसे
I don't think so. हाँ बट नहीं दिखता, आपके टू फेस नहीं लगता। अब देखो नेचर, हम दिल में तो घुस के नहीं देख सकते हम कैसे हैं, बाहर ही पता चलेगा। हेलो,
What is your secret of your skincare? What is your secret of your
सर कितना ये स्लो बोल रहे, तेज।
What is your secret of your skincare?
skincare?
Do you think I am doing skin care?
Yes, you're very beautiful.
बेचारे साहब को मूवी को 4-5 अरे भैया आपकी सुंदर
You are very beautiful.
स्किन केयर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। 2-3 दिन मुंह मत दो, बहुत अच्छा स्किन केयर आता है। धोती हूँ बट आई थिंक आई एम नॉट टेक केयर ऑफ माई स्किन केयर एंड दिस इज नॉट द एज ऑफ माई कि मैं स्किन केयर करूँ। बट 12th के प्रेशर से तो मैं बाहर नहीं आ पा रही, स्किन केयर पे कहाँ जाऊँ। पढ़ाई के चक्कर में कमजोर हो गई हूँ। देन आई थिंक स्किन केयर इज नथिंग मैटर, यू नो। वी आर सेइंग कि किसी का स्किन ब्लैक है, किसी का गोरा है, किसी का काला है, हमें वो मैटर ही नहीं करना चाहिए। वी डोंट नीड दैट कि गोरा है तो सुंदर है, वो अच्छा इंसान होगा। बोलते हैं ना, मेरी मम्मी एक चीज बोलती है, माय मदर सेज वन थिंग कि गोरे तो आजादी से पहले गद्दार थे, तो देयर माय मदर सेज कि गोरों पे कभी ट्रस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए। सो आई थिंक द black skin is the beautiest, brown black skin is the beautiest skin. You know why? Black skin, गोरा रंग बदल जाता है, काला रंग कभी बदला है? किसी के साथ भी घुल जाए, काला रंग कभी नहीं बदलता। So that is the biggest thing. So I think the blackness is the most is beautiful ever color. तुम्हें black कपड़े चाहिए, black shoes चाहिए, you want black watches, you want black hair, you want everything like black, but black eyes also. But you don't need black skin boy, black skin girl. That is I love black skin. और देखो, हाँ मुझे पसंद है
कलर ज्यादा क्यूट
जो गोरे होते हैं ना, like boys are become a white तो काला भी नहीं है, गोरा भी नहीं है।
तभी तो
So the white boys, I think there is a red flag, but skin doesn't matter. देखो ये चीज ऐसी होती है ना कि तुम्हारा रूटीन क्या है, I don't care about it. तुम्हारा नेचुरल ब्यूटी हो ना, अपने नेचुरल फेस से कुछ चेंज मत करो, डोंट चेंज इट, बिकॉज दैट इज अ गॉड गिफ्टेड कि हम कैसे हैं। बट थैंक यू टू सेइंग टू मी आई एम ब्यूटीफुल।
anybody is having any question?
थैंक यू।
Next, Sani.
निगम को बुलाना
Sani का introduce yourself.
So hello everyone. Hello. How are you all?
Fine.
That's great. So firstly, I would like to give my small intro. So hello, all my standing marvelous, tremendous, amazing, as well as those who are having perfect personality. And I would like to say thanks to my both of sir, Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir, to have me this golden opportunity to speak here in front of you all. So today is the co-system class that I like a lot because it's a so different class that we know the mindset of someone and we give the also answer that is inside of my. So anyone having any question, so they can ask and I will try to give my best.
I would So, ma'am, I want to ask one question. I never anyone asked to you this question. Which type man you want in your life?
Which type man I want in my life? For me, it's a difficult, but I try to give you answer because I never think about it. But yeah, if I talk about like which type of man and which type of boy I like, so that is the nature. I never see, as you said, black skin and brown skin. I like that boy should be loyal. The boy should be also we said he should give the respect of girls, and also it's not mean कि वो मतलब आप it's not mean कि हाँ लड़कियों को रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए, मतलब ऐसा लड़का होना चाहिए रिस्पेक्ट करे सभी की, he give everyone's respect, and also क्या बोले नेचर अच्छा होना चाहिए, लाइक नेचर शुड बी गुड. मुझे फेस से लाइक आई डोंट केयर अबाउट लाइक इफ समवन सेड ना लाइक फेस मैटर्स फॉर आई डोंट केयर अबाउट इट. इफ नेचर वुड बी गुड ऑफ दैट बॉय, सो आई लाइक, एंड मेरे लिए नेचर मैटर करता है, नेचर अच्छा होना चाहिए बस.
पूछना है किसी को, मैं सोच लूँ जब तक.
ये भी सोच रही
Hello, ma'am.
हेलो.
I am having one doubt. I am having one question. Wonderful question. Could I ask?
Yes.
What do you think that what is the most important thing? What do you think which is better, city or village?
Okay. So, if I talk about for the people's, what is better, city or village? So, I think for that people, for everyone's, city is better because it's a comfort zone. It's a like if someone wants to be something, so there is if you choose now, if you want to be something, because in this generation everyone having a goal and everyone wants to be something. So for that, so I think it's a comfort zone. It's also here in city they can study good, they can study well, they can get many things, they can be something here, because in village what like the villager people's mindset, as we know, like they are and their mindset is antiquated. Many in this generation also we think here we are, so we think it's a new generation. The people mindset is not like that कि girls को नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए, like that we think. and यहाँ पे सभी का mindset ऐसा होगा कि या सभी का mindset high level पे होगा कि like yeah everyone should we have mindset that कि equally है girls boys. But in this generation also many villages are there कि वहाँ पे girls को same नहीं रखा जाता. There is not like girls are not equal in the eyes of parents, in the eyes of relatives. They think that no, girls should not go outside to do job, to study. They stop to doing many things to the girls. But I think so in these things I think city is better for the people and for being something. But if I tell about myself what I love, city or village, so I love village literally, because why I love most village, because there is my all family members, and whenever I go in holidays, so I enjoy a lot with my siblings, with my cousins, and that was एक memory बन जाता है, that create a memory with everyone, and also there are loving people. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, like in city what happen I notice a lot कि like people is not having time, मतलब वो time नहीं निकाल पाते अपने दोस्तों के लिए. They are not able to for one to another. People is not having to spend time with their parents also. So हम parents को भी मतलब एक होता है ना कि वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड आवर पेरेंट्स फीलिंग्स और वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड आवर लाइक फ्रेंड्स फीलिंग्स, तो हम नहीं समझ पाते, टाइम नहीं दे पाते, बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव टाइम। ना टाइम निकल जाता है लाइक पढ़ने में और काम में, मैंने देखा यहाँ पे जनरली कि टाइम नहीं दे पाते लोग। बट इन विलेज many peoples there is a kind nature, like village people is kind nature also. If they don't know who are you, but if you go there and also if you are like fallen down, so they help you. But here what happen, people, if someone fallen down and also some fight take place, so what people they start to making videos, भाई views आएंगे, like आएंगे। But मैं वहाँ के लोगों को देखा, nature like different, so loving people and I love most। और वहाँ का जो मौसम होता है ना, I love most। I play with the like beautiful movement with beautiful peoples with beautiful siblings and beautiful movement their place also। तो मतलब हर जगह हरियाली, एक शुद्ध हवा, मतलब एक अलग ही सुकून होता है वहाँ पे। I love most literally, मुझे विलेज बहुत पसंद है।
Hello Sanya.
Hello.
So I would like to ask you that some people are, you know what, when you meet someone and he and she is so sweet, too much sweet, you know what? So what did you think about that person? You know what, some people think about that person, they are too much sweet. How they can do this? In this generation, that's not possible. She is so much sweet, he is so much sweet, that's not possible. So according to you, what did you think about that person? Why are you?
Yeah, so if I meet with someone and that is so sweet with me, so what I think? So you know, if I meet anyone first time and so I see that if she is so sweet, so yeah, first time in my mind I think like कि इस जनरेशन में भी इतने स्वीट लोग होते हैं, ये क्वेश्चन मेरे माइंड में आता है जरूर। इट्स क्वेश्चन इट्स कम इन माय माइंड, लेकिन इन दिस जनरेशन like this much of sweet people is there, कितने स्वीट है। like I think about, मतलब मैं उनके बारे में बहुत सोचने लग जाती हूँ। I start to for 3 days 4 days I start to notice क्या सच में ये स्वीट है, ऐसे करने लग जाती हूँ, क्योंकि in this generation people are being sweet but not a sweet, अंदर से करवाहट है भाई। So I think I start to notice and yeah, I also in 3 and 4 days I understand it's my like also मतलब ये स्टेमिना मेरे पास है कि like I understand the people very easily in 3 and 4 days and यही है मतलब।
एक बात का बोला सर, कोई अगर स्वीट है तो कहते हो अंदर से ऐसा है ना, और जो बाहर से वैसा ही है तो फिर तो कहते हो कि वो बाहर से ऐसा है या बेकार इंसान है। इससे जुड़ना चाहोगे?
नहीं
स्वीट है, ठीक है, अच्छा मतलब कोई अच्छा है इंसान, उसको उसके बारे में बोला जाता है ये अंदर से खराब हुआ,
नहीं,
अंदर से ही खराब है, अच्छा है,
I don't say।
कुछ नहीं हो रहा है
Sir,
बाहर से बेकार होता है। हाँ भाई बात बेकार है।
Sir, you know why? Look, sir, listen. I'm gonna give you an answer. You know what I said? If I meet with in this sense, if I meet with someone that is so sweet, so it's come in my mind. ये मेरे माइंड में आता है। You know why? कि हर एक वर्ड के पीछे ना कि इंसान का माइंडसेट कैसा बनता है, what humans being mindset change how, क्योंकि वैसे लोगों से ना वो मिल चुका होता है, उसे like they meet and with that person sometime, तो उस चीज को फेस कर चुका होता है, तो वो ऐसे बन जाता है thought। Because I meet ना since I was in 5th class 4th class I met a so sweeted girl, so sweeted guy, but after like मतलब मैं पहले ना बहुत blindly trust करती थी। I was trusting blindly. If someone is showing me that I am so sweet, I believe yeah, like ऐसी है, और मैं like I was कि खुली किताब की तरह वहाँ जाके बिल्कुल कि हाँ मैं सारी बातें बोलती। But after some time when I like 7th, ये चीज मेरे को मतलब अब समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं, लोग मतलब जब ऐसे होता है ना सर तो पता चल जाता है। We know। No sir, if you meet with the wrong person, na sir, after we meet. So we saw that person that is so sweet with us, and after some time, if she and he is becoming with us like that, कि मतलब चेंज होता है, हमें पता चल जाता है, दिखता है, तो लगता है कि यार ये इतनी स्वीट थी, कैसे ऐसे हो सकती है? तो वो चीज एक माइंडसेट बन जाता है सर कि ऐसे लोग नहीं हो सकते इस जनरेशन में। तो वो ये मैंने बोला, बट मैंने क्या बोला सर?
अच्छा लगेगा, 2 पाउडर अच्छा लगेगा, 3-4 पाउडर
तो और स्वीट हो जाएंगे।
मुंह में मार देंगे, वो अच्छा
और
लगेगा।
मैंने क्या बोला सर? आई सेड कि ना अब मेरे को ये है कि अगर मैं किसी इंसान के साथ ना लाइक आई स्पेंड 1 or 2 days 3 days, आई अंडरस्टूड अगर वो स्वीट है तो मुझे पता लगे हाँ ये स्वीट है, ये ऐसे चेंज, बट अगर नहीं है तो मुझे समझ आता है और मैं उनसे दूरियां बनाना स्टार्ट कर देती हूँ। आई स्टार्ट टू गो एट विद दैट पर्सन। आई सेड ना कि 2-4 दिन रहो, मुझे पता लग जाता है तुम उनसे।
बट इस चीज से ना सर बॉयज एक जैसे होते हैं, गर्ल्स जो है ना बहुत मीठे बनते हैं।
Yes. If we talk about ना sir, boys, yeah, as you said ना, if we talk about boys, so उनके पास, if I talk about, they have not like many faces. Some boys are there, like they become like that कि उनके mindset ऐसे थोड़ा गर्ल्स टाइप का होता है, तो वो मतलब कहीं और कहीं कुछ अलग, इधर अलग फेस होगा, इधर अलग फेस। बट आई टॉक अबाउट द लिटरली बी ऑनेस्ट कि बॉयज ऐसे नहीं होते। मैं गर्ल्स हूँ खुद एक, बट मैं ये जानती हूँ कि बॉयज ऐसे नहीं होते। बट हाँ, गर्ल्स यहाँ पे सारी है, एवरीवन नोस कि गर्ल्स का, मैनी गर्ल्स की उनके नेचर क्या होता है, बहुत ओवरथिंकर होते हैं भाई,
बहुत स्वीट
और अलग ही सोचते हैं। तो आई थिंक
Hello guys, how are you? Okay, that's nice. This is me Monica, and today we are having a wonderful session, a question session, and today I will give my best. Today I will give my best in this session. So let's get started. Sorry, sir.
So my question is that, can you trust easily to anyone?
बोलो भैया। Trust. I think I'm the girl who cannot easily trust on someone now. Not even my friends, because in this generation people are so greedy, so mean. So like I can't use that kind of words for them, because because we are shooting that time. So many people are there. In my life, I got betrayal in my life so many times. I always see their selfish face, selfish side all time, because I did so many things to them, but they always do betray. I face a lot of betray in my whole life, and the answer and the question is, can I easily trust someone? I can't trust. In this generation, I can't trust even my friends. It's like in previous time, I trust a lot. I was a girl who trusted someone, people so easily. Like if they are talking to me with nicely, I will share my everything with them. But now if they will talking with me very nicely, if they will sharing every secrets of their, I will still can't trust on them. I can't. I'm so sorry. I can't.
हेलो मोनिका,
Hello.
What's yours?
अरे यहाँ आ जाओ. हाँ आ जाओ.
ये बैठे बोलो।
खड़े होके यही बोलना, मत तुम्हारी।
What's your happiness in your life?
Okay.
What's your biggest happiness?
My happiness is my father. Yes, because I said that I can't trust on anyone, but I can trust on my father so blindly. He is a pillar of strength of family. He is so good. I can't even explain him in words, because he's like genuine. He's a first man I trust, I love, and I trust him very blindly. Yes, he is my happiness. He is the biggest happiness. At that time when I was not even in my the era when I can't able to walk, I can't able to talk with anyone, he was there for me. He was spending a lot of money on me. I got hospitalized hospitalized as well. All the people were saying she's not good, she's not good, she's just characterless. So many things are there, so many cases are there which I faced in my life. But he was the man who stand with me. He was my biggest inspiration. He is my biggest happiness. Yes, he is my biggest happiness.
Now I am having another question. Hello, Didi, excuse me. Could I ask you a question from you?
Yes, sure.
What do you think that what is most important, love or money or respect? What would you like to choose?
Money or respect? Money or respect?
You have to choose one.
Like both things are so different and so important as well, but I want to choose money, because without money I can't able to survive, I can't able to eat, I can't able to live, I can't do anything without money. If I'm having a money, people will respect me. If I'm having a money, people will respect me. If I'm having a money, people will respect me. And if I'm not having a money, they will obviously not respect me. Like if I'm going somewhere and I'm not able to do Uber, and I can't able to pay my transport vehicles charges, so they will think she's not having this kind of money, she's not able to pay a charges of transport, so they will obviously not give me a respect, and I will be like now I have to earn money. So I think money is most important, and if I am having money, easily people will respect me.
Okay.
Good evening to one and all. This is me Meenakshi. In front of you all. So this is today's question session. So anybody ask me any question?
Very nice to meet you, Meenakshi. I have a question for you. What is equality? What is equality
In which?
in life? Can I ask another question? Yeah. What do you think about me in a very first time?
Oh my God, I'm talking about you. So truly बताना मतलब बिल्कुल सच देखो बुरा नहीं मानना सच बताऊंगी.
Bottom of your heart.
Yes, you know what? कुछ बोलेगी थोड़ा सा. You know what? I am telling about myself. So I'm very sweet person. So I love also sweet persons as well. I don't say that कि I don't like angry and another person like that. No, I'm not saying that. But I'm saying that कि I like sweet person as well, very well. But firstly, I am meet with you. So I feel yes, you are very sweet because of Mansi. She introduced with you, and I feel oh yes, it's good when Mansi talk to you. So obviously you are a good person. But some debate are just with them. So I'm just thinking out because I'm not angry and I am not suitable to anyone. But with some time I'm spent with you. So then I'm thinking you are angry as well, but you are very good girl and you are very pure-hearted. You have no any another face. You are very pure person. When you have anger, so you can show it. You don't hide it. Some people have angry with them and they tend to छोड़ो ना यार बुरा लग जाएगा. But no, you are true person. You have angry and you have any doubt to someone, so you can say that you are wrong and that time you are not doing anything. You don't tell me at that whatever. So now I'm thinking about you. You are very good and you are very pure person. So
Hello, Didi.
hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Why should people join New Generation Institute?
Because this institute is very great to study in English classes, and you join this institute so you can learn more new things, more new words, and more new skills as well. When you show that we are standing here and doing question session and another activities, we are doing any another activities, so we have create the confidence as well. So according to me, institute are very good to increase your communication skills and yourself as well. Thank you.
That's nice. Great.
Anybody have another question?
So, what is the importance of this communication skills?
Communication skills very important in our life, because when you have a communication skills, so you can do anything when you go or any institute. And you know what, when you go the interview and you have no another have a communication skills, so you can't say anything to them. You have you say that like anything, your behavior not well, you have no great communication skills, so you don't crack the interview as well. So it's a important thing in our life.
So now I am having another question. What do you think about one and only R. Suraj sir?
Oh, Suraj sir. So Suraj sir, according to me, you are very gentleman. You are very good teacher as well. When you teach everybody very politely, very gently, and when you teach anybody, so if they feel comfortable with you and you feel like you can do anything, and you teach a very good way, your teaching skills are very good. So according to me, you are such a good teacher.
Do you think that when you are taking classes here regularly, when Suraj sir is teaching you, do you think that you can change your life? Definitely.
Of course, because you know what, English is very important in our life. In this generation, English is everything. When you go anywhere, so you need to speak English, because when you speak in Hindi language, so people think about that you are speaking Hindi, you are not literated person, you are not having a good education skills. So when you speak in English, so they will think about that you are educated and you are skills person, so you are very
What do you
intelligent.
like the most inside Suraj sir?
Next question. Nature.
Nature and signature, right? That's great.
What will you gonna choose? A box of money or box of relations? A box of money or a box of relations?
Relations. So it's very good question for me, because always people saying that money is in everything, money is important, money is, you know what, in my life I am spending my life in this world 19 years as well, but that time I never spend money in myself, never. I will never purchase any clothes, I never purchase anything for me, because I'm not interested to buying anything. I'm very simple person, I spend my life with the small things as well. But relation is very important for me, because I'm an emotional person. So when I'm connect with my family, friends, anyone, I'm very connecting with my relations. I'm very supporting to my relations. My family members are very sweet and it's very supportive to me. So I'm support to relations, because when you have a good person in your life, so you can spend your life very easily and very smoothly.
Don't you think your emotional side can destroy you?
No. You know what? I'm emotional person, I know that, but I'm never show anyone. I'm never show to anyone I'm emotional, I'm never say that, because I'm emotional, I know that. So I never know the anyone, because when I am explain my emotional side to anyone, they use my emotions, they use my feelings and this destroy me. That's why I'm never say anything my emotions, and I hide my emotions as well. When I'm connect with anyone very personally, then I'm showing my emotions. Without connection, I never show my emotions. So according to me, my emotions never destroyed me. Any question? Thank you.